Dear students, today I am introducing the course book in English, which has been prescribed for your syllabus. This book is based on the new curriculum of English at the higher secondary level. Let us understand the objectives and basic philosophy behind this curriculum. The first objective of teaching and learning English at this level is to enable the students to develop his or her language skills to a fair degree of proficiency. The second objective is to acquire communication skills in English. And the third objective is to cultivate a broad human and culture outlook among the students. Now let us see the design of the new course book. If you go through the contents page, you will find that the book is divided in 4 sections. The first section deals with the prose lessons. While choosing the prose lessons, a care has been taken to choose inspiring pieces of literature written by well-known authors. It has been done with an intention to sensitize students to the pleasure and pain of life. There are 6 lessons in this section, out of which 1.1 being neighborly, written by Louisa May Alcott. This lesson has been omitted. Other 5 lessons which are prescribed for your studies are On to the Summit, We Reach the Top, written by Tenzing Norgay. 1.3 The Call of the Soil, written by Venkat Iyer. 1.4 Pillars of Democracy, written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. 1.5 Mrs. Addis, written by Sheila Kai Smith. 1.6 Tiger Hills, written by General Ved Prakash. So friends, this section has been introduced to inculcate values of life skills among the students through classics and masterpieces of literature. Section 2 deals with poetry. There are 6 poems, out of which the last poem, The Planners, written by Boey Kim Cheng, has been omitted. The rest of the 5 poems are prescribed for your studies. They are 2.1 Cherry Tree, written by Ruskin Bond. 2.2 Sower, written by Victor Hugo. 2.3 There Is Another Sky, written by Emily Dickinson. 2.4 Upon Westminster Bridge, written by William Wordsworth. 2.5 Nose vs. Eyes, written by William Cowper. In poetry sections, all poems have been introduced to students to give a taste of different people, different cultures, and different philosophies. Section 3 has been devoted to writing skills. In Section 3, we have 6 topics. First, expansion of ideas. Second, blog writing. Third, emails. Fourth, interviews. Fifth, film review. And 6. The art of comparing. All these topics have been introduced to hone the writing skills of the students. ICT, Information Communication Technology, based on writing skills such as email writing and blog writing, have been introduced. In the last section, that is section 4, the genre drama has been introduced to the students. Drama is an exciting and captivating branch of literature. There are 3 chapters in this section. The first chapter, History of English Drama, in which a short history of English theatre, Elizabethan and Restoration theatre, modern theatre, and Indian theatre have been introduced. In this section, we have Rising of the Moon, one of the best one-act plays written by Lady Gregory. The play's charm mainly rests on the sustaining passion of Irish nationalism. In this section, apart from the one-act play, 2 extracts of drama have been introduced. The first extract is from the drama A Midsummer's Night Dream by William Shakespeare, and another extract is from the drama An Enemy of the People by Henrik Johan Ibsen. This is the basic introduction of this textbook. I hope you all must have understood it. This textbook shall be helpful in shaping the course of your life. This pandemic has forced us all to interact through digital platforms. Classroom teaching is impossible, but we have to continue the teaching and learning process through online mode. So friends, we shall deal with the regular syllabus in the next lecture. Thank you.